Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to download genuine Windows 10 ISO from official Microsoft website No Viruses Easy Guide. For us to be able to get started, we could now start from heading onto your local browser. So onto the search bar, we're going to search for Windows 10 Microsoft ISO. So you should be able to see this one, where you could download Windows 10. Click onto that, and then you'll get redirected onto their official website. Once you're in, the only options that you would be able to see in here is update now or download now. To go ahead and download ISO for that, just go ahead and click onto the three dots here onto the upper part of your browser. Then right after, head on more tools. Once you're under more tools, you should be able to see an option to click on developer tools. Click onto that and you should be able to see this panel onto the right side. Click onto the three dots in here, click on more tools again, and click on network conditions. So here under network condition, just scroll down and you should be able to see this use browser default. So uncheck this one and here choose Chrome OS. Right after there should be changes in here onto the website, you'll just have to refresh it over here. So let's wait for this one first. And as you can see right after you have updated here on the developer tools, there is an option already in here to select your edition. So just choose in here the Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. Click onto that and click on confirm and wait for this one to validate your request, and then you could go ahead and choose a language. So just choose any language in there, click on confirm, and then you'll just have to choose if you want the 32-bit download or 64-bit download. So feel free to choose which one you prefer, and it will automatically download it here onto your device. And that is how easy you can download genuine Windows 10 ISO from official Microsoft website. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.